What's going on, everybody? This is Cody, the home theater hobbyist, and today I have an unboxing for you cord cutters out there. This is from Sling TV. It's their whole home DVR, which can stream and record local channels such as NBC, ABC, Fox, and many others. This is called the AirTV Anywhere. Now in this video, I'm going to unbox it, give you some specifications, and also my first impressions. So let's get to it. So here it is, the AirTV Anywhere from Sling TV. Now for those of you who aren't aware, cord cutting is basically canceling your cable or satellite subscription in favor of other alternatives, such as over-the-air channels that you can capture with an HD antenna like this one, or going with an internet-based solution like Sling TV, YouTube TV, Hulu, and many others. I've actually reviewed a lot of those others, and I'll leave links to those in the cards up above. Now, one of the issues with internet-based solutions is you typically aren't able to get your local channels like your NBC, Fox, and things like that. But Sling TV is trying to rectify that with their AirTV lineup of products, including the AirTV Anywhere, which has a DVR built in, which means you can record your favorite shows on the internal 1 TB hard drive. Now, I was doing some research in preparation for this video, and I found a couple of things that I like. The first thing is there are no monthly fees with this DVR, so you can record your favorite shows and not have to pay a monthly fee. Now, the second thing I found was Sling does not require an active Sling TV subscription. So you do need the Sling app to be able to watch content on this, whether streamed or recorded, but you don't need a Sling TV subscription. So basically, you buy this DVR and you can watch and record over-the-air channels without paying anything extra, and that is a definite plus. Okay, so that's enough of an overview. Let's go ahead and let's talk about the unboxing in this box itself. Sling TV sent me this box via FedEx, so it comes in a brown box. There's nothing really special about the box at all. There's no markings or anything like that on it. I assume that there is a retail package box in here. Now, this box itself is a little over 6.5 inches tall, about 10 inches wide, and a little over 8 inches deep, and it weighs just over 3 pounds. So no one should have any real issues carrying this anywhere or moving it from place to place. But enough about the box. Let's go ahead and let's crack it open and see what they put inside. This is a getting set up guide. A little letter from Sling. The AirTV Anywhere is 1.7 inches tall, 7 inches wide, and 4.3 inches deep, and it weighs 1.2 pounds. It features a few ports on the back, including a USB 2.0 port, an Ethernet port, a coaxial input, and a power connection. Internally, it has a dual-band 802.11ac Wi-Fi chip, 1 GB of DDR3 memory, and a 1 TB hard drive. The 1 TB hard drive allows the user to record 150 hours of local HD content. It has 4 ATSC over-the-air tuners, which allows the user to watch and or record up to 4 streams simultaneously, including one that can be on a phone or tablet outside your home. To view your local content, you will need the Sling TV app, which is free and available on the following devices: AirTV Mini, AirTV Player, Apple TV, Android TV, Amazon Fire TV, Roku, the Apple App Store, and the Google Play Store. AirTV Anywhere costs $199 and can be found at the link in the description below. Now let's talk first impressions. As you can see here, the box is relatively small and pretty lightweight. It has a nice black plastic outer shell, and it has the AirTV logo on each one of the sides of the boxes. Up front, it has a few status LEDs, including power, Wi-Fi, and I believe that's a share up top. I'm not really sure about that one. It also has this charcoal gray cloth top on it that I think looks really nice. It gives it a nice two-tone look. Underneath this charcoal cloth, I can feel some holes, and I believe that allows heat to escape out of the box because along the bottom is a fan. So I believe it draws cool air in from the bottom and then exhausts it out of the top. Moving on to rear are all the connections that I mentioned during the specifications, including a Wi-Fi protected setup button up top, the USB 2.0 connection, Ethernet connection, the power connection, and then there's the over-the-air antenna connection here, so you can plug in coaxial here. Now, to get this to work, again, you will need an over-the-air antenna, HD antenna like this one here, or something mounted on your roof or inside your attic to receive the over-the-air channels. But once you have that connected to this, you will also need the Sling TV app either installed on your phone, tablet, on your television itself, or your media device, so you can watch that content. Now, the app is free, but you will have to sign up for an account, which is also free. But once you do those things and do the connections, you will be able to watch your local news, sports, and weather. Now, I will be doing a full review on this, and I'll include some things about setup and just talk about my experience. And it'll take me probably a couple of weeks to do that because I want to spend some time with this. So expect to see that in just a few weeks. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below, and I will try to answer them. But that's all I have. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. We'll talk to you next time.